How to make an intro for YouTube videos free in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create an intro for YouTube videos free in Canva. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up canva.com and you will land on this platform right here. Canva is an amazing designing platform that allows you to create your own videos, presentations, Instagram posts, wallpapers, design your logos, t-shirts, and create resumes and more. With Canva, we get a lot of different templates, features, and tools in order to create our own customized and professional logos, presentation, and videos. Today, I will show you how you can use the free version of Canva and create a YouTube intro. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your canva.com. I will be using the free version, so everything that I will use is going to be free. Now, to create a video, you can see right here, we get the option in here. And this is 1920 by 180, perfect for YouTube intros. We can also go for a custom size with this feature right here, and we can select the width and height for our video. Simply click on video, and now Canva will open up a blank canvas for you where we will be able to edit our video. So this is our blank canvas that we get to edit a video. Let me show you around real quick if you're using Canva for the first time. You can see right here, we get all of the templates right here, and I can select from a bunch of different templates. Then we have different elements, and we work here a lot because it allows us to add different graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, chart, tables, and more. Then we have the text option that allows us to add text. We also get the upload option where we actually upload our logo for our YouTube, our audios, and videos. Then we also have a background where we will be able to select background for our videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to this canvas right here. This is our canvas where I will be editing my video. This is our timestamp, and we can simply go ahead and adjust the time for our video. So for intro, I'm going to be creating a 10-second intro in total. You will be able to edit the time from here as well. We will be able to change the background color from here. You can give whatever color you want to give to your video. We can add a new page from here, and then we will be saving our video from this share option. So now I'm going to go ahead and select a background video. So for my intro, I'm going to be going for a simple intro for my vlog. So for a YouTube video, we can simply go ahead and create any type of different intros. I am going to elements and videos right here, and I'm going to go to see all. In see all, you can see I am getting a bunch of different videos, and these are all going to be free. I'm going to go ahead and search for travel, or we can simply search for city. So you can see right here that I have this video which is for 5 seconds. So I'm gonna select this one. This is a free video that I can add. So what I will do now is I'm gonna actually adjust it to my background. And now this is going to be my video and it is for 5 seconds. I can simply go ahead and play it. And you can see this is how it looks. Perfect. Here I'm gonna add the name for my channel. So I'm going to text and I'm gonna go to heading. In heading, I will simply type in the text. So I have typed in the name for my channel and you can see this is how it looks. Now what I can do is I can adjust the font for my text. You can go for different fonts and there are many fonts available in the free version. Then we can adjust the size and color for our text as well. So the white color actually looks pretty good. Or maybe I can go and check out black. Okay, so black also really stands out. But here's one thing that I'm gonna do. I will go to elements and I'm going to select this square right here. Now I will actually adjust the square behind my text like this. And there you go. So I have adjusted this box right here. And then I can also make it a bit transparent if I want to. It looks better. So this is going to be the first page for my intro and I'm gonna actually make it for 4 seconds. Now I'm going to add another page, and for this page I will show you how you can add different elements and create, intro. We will also be adding music. So to add a music in the background, you can go to audio, go to see all, and from here you can select audio. You can also get a preview before you select any kind of music. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this music right here. Now you can see I have this music stamp as well, and I can move it and place it behind my intro. So I have 4 seconds of my channel name, and then I'm gonna keep it to 3 seconds of video title. So the total is going to be a 7 second intro. So this is my music, and I can click on the music and check it out as well. Okay, it looks pretty good. What I'm gonna do now is I will simply go ahead and edit this second page. So for second page, what I'm gonna do is again go to text, and I'm gonna add text. We can go with this pre-designed font as well. So I'm gonna go and select this one. So we have it right here, but I'm gonna change the text, of course. So I have typed in my text right here, and this looks pretty good. Now I will go to elements, and I can go ahead and add different stickers and animations as well. We can also go ahead and add different images. So I have actually changed the text to a day in Paris. This vlog is going to be my day in Paris, so that is why. And now what I can do is I can add different elements. I can go with this background, and I can simply go ahead and change the color for my background so that it blends with my first page. I'm gonna go ahead and again select a video, but I just want to show you that you can also go to upload, and you can upload your videos, you can upload your images for your video, and you can also add your audio if you want to do a voiceover. So you can also upload, just click on upload media, and it will allow you to select different images and videos from your computer. And then you can go to elements, and you can select different photos, stickers, whatever you want to add to your Canva right here. You will be able to add it to your second page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again actually go for a video, and it's gonna be this one. You can simply go ahead and animate your text by this option right here. You go to effects, and you can add shadows, whatever you want to. Here's another thing that we can do. We can simply go ahead and click on text, go to these three dots, and we can animate our text as well. If you want to add a text, for example, you want to add a rise, pan, maybe fade. There you go. This one looks good. So I'm going to select this one, a day in Paris. And now what I will do is I will actually make it a bit smaller, this video. There you go. Perfect. So yeah guys, I think my intro is completed. So I will simply go ahead and play my intro for you. And there you go, we have our own professional intro created for free using canva.com. You can use different animations if you want to. This is the kind of intro that I wanted to create, and it looks super professional. Now, what you have to do is simply go ahead and create your intro for YouTube using Canva. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and you know how to create an intro for YouTube using canva.com for free. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.